Hi, my name is Caitlin Cowley, and I'm a senior here at Malone University. As you might be able to tell by watching what I'm doing, I'm a zoo and wildlife biology major. This is Javier. Because of your support through the gifts to the Malone Fund, my classmates and I get hands-on experience working with a variety of animals in our collection here on the Malone campus. The experience gives graduates of the program a real advantage when applying for jobs in the zoo and animal care field. We get to work with animals on a daily basis and learn by doing. It is one of the reasons our program is nationally respected, and our graduates get jobs at really cool places like the Nashville and Columbus zoos. Your giving makes this possible. Your Malone Fund gifts allow the university to provide this amazing learning experience. On behalf of my classmates in the zoo and wildlife biology and across all majors, I ask that you continue to make these experiences possible for Malone students by making a gift to the Malone Fund before June 30th. As you can tell, your gifts make a difference and impact students like me. On behalf of Javier and myself, thank you.